Welcome to the channel where every car enthusiast finds his passion. Subscribe to stay up to date with all the news and reviews. Your support helps us grow. Click on the subscribe button. Subscribe now and help us reach new heights together. Today, we're going to talk about the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport, the review. To keep up with the rest of the industry's innovations, Toyota has unveiled the highly anticipated 2024 Hilux GR Sport. With an updated interior, improved features, and competitive advantages, this latest Toyota model is sure to be a hit with buyers. In this in-depth review, we'll look at the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport from all angles, including its price, interior features, top speed, and competitors. If you're looking for a pickup truck that expertly combines performance, interior comfort, and the latest technology, the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport is a great choice. The Hilux GR Sport is an exciting addition to the Toyota range, boasting stunning top speed, luxurious interiors, and competitive edge. In the ever-changing automotive industry, the Hilux GR Sport exemplifies Toyota's commitment to pushing boundaries and delivering customer satisfaction. The 2024 Hilux GR Sport will change driving fanatics and pickup truck aficionados forever, whether you're tearing through city streets or tackling off-road terrain. 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport specifications and features. An all-new powerful engine gives the Toyota Hilux GR Sport a significant performance boost over its predecessors. Under the hood is a powerful engine that combines efficiency and power. The Hilux GR Sport's improved engine capabilities should allow it to reach 60 mph in a significant amount of time. The impressive aspect that sets the Toyota Hilux GR Sport apart from its competitors is its top speed. With its extreme top speed, the Hilux GR Sport is an unstoppable force on the road, ideal for enthusiasts and adrenaline junkies. 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport Interior. The 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport offers a well-appointed cabin that combines modern amenities with luxurious seating. When it comes to improving the driving experience, Toyota spares no effort. The interior of the Hilux GR Sport is made with high-quality materials and careful attention to detail. The cabin has become more comfortable thanks to comfortable seats, ample legroom, and a thoughtful layout. For a comfortable ride, the driver-focused cockpit puts all controls where the driver needs them most. The interior of the Toyota Hilux GR Sport showcases the latest technological developments. On the road, drivers can stay connected and entertained with a state-of-the-art entertainment system with an intuitive touchscreen interface. With the latest safety systems, smartphone connectivity, and navigation capabilities, the Hilux GR Sport is a flexible and modern alternative to a pickup truck. 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport competitors. The 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport will face stiff competition in the pickup truck market. Some of its main competitors include the Nissan Navara Nismo, Chevrolet Colorado ZR2, and Ford Ranger Raptor. The ever-changing customer landscape is a result of the distinct benefits offered by each of these models. Likewise, the renowned off-road Ford Ranger Raptor provides equal performance and reliability. On the contrary, the 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport emphasizes adaptability with multiple engine options and off-road capabilities. The Nissan Navara Nismo is an attractive choice for those seeking an exciting driving experience thanks to its sporty looks and responsive handling. 2024 Toyota Hilux GR Sport price is one of the most important factors determining the market attractiveness of the Toyota Hilux GR Sport. With superior features and performance, Toyota positions the Hilux GR Sport as its best product. The Hilux GR Sport is expected to be competitively priced in its sector, although exact specifications may vary depending on trim levels and optional extras available. Beyond the vehicle's performance, the value proposition lies in the overall ownership experience, which includes things like the reliability of Toyota vehicles and their extensive network of service and support providers.